Number 1. Classify industries on the basis of ownership. Answer. On the basis of ownership, there are 4 types of industries. First, public sector industries. Second, private sector industries. Third, joint sector industries. Fourth, cooperative sector industries. Number 2. Differentiate between public sector and joint sector industries. Answer. Public sector industries. The industries owned and operated by the government are known as state-owned or public sector industries. The Steel Authority of India Limited, Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited, Indian Oil Corporation, etc. are the examples of the public sector industries. Joint sector industries. These industries are owned and operated by the government and individuals or a group of individuals. Oil India Limited and Maruti Udyog Limited are examples of the joint sector industries. Number 3. Write a short note on the industrial system. Answer. An industrial system is a network of inputs, processes, and outputs that convert raw materials into finished goods. Inputs are the basic items needed to start the process, such as raw materials, labor, energy, capital, land, and buildings. Processes are the activities that take place to make the finished product, such as cutting, sewing, welding, brewing, painting, and steel molding. Outputs are the finished products, byproducts, products for continued manufacturing, and waste. Example. In the textile industry, the inputs might be cotton, human labor, factory and transport costs. The processes might include ginning, spinning, weaving, dyeing and printing. The outputs might be finished fabric, cotton seed oil, cotton seed meal and waste materials. Number 4. List the main factors that affect the location of industries. Answer. The main factors that affect the location of industries are raw materials, land, water, labor, power, capital, transport, market, communication. Number 5. Give a comparative study on the Steel City of India and Pittsburgh. Answer. Iron and steel industry in Pittsburgh. Pittsburgh is an important steel city of the United States of America. In mid-19th century, processing of iron began in Pittsburgh. Pittsburgh is one of the world's best routes for shipping and cheaply the famous Great Lakes waterway. Trains carry the ore from the Great Lakes to Pittsburgh. The Ohio, the Monongahela, and the Allegheny rivers provide adequate water supply. Pittsburgh has a favorable topography, temperature climate, skilled labor, and market, which make this place favorable for the development of iron and steel industry. Iron and steel industry in India. Before 1947, there was only one iron and steel plant in the country, Tata Iron and Steel Company Limited. TISCO was started in 1907 by Jamshedji Nusserwanji Tata at Sakshi, in the Singhbhum district of Jharkhand, but the production started in 1911. Later on, Sakshi was renamed as Jamshedpur. Sakshi was close to Kolkata, which provided a large market. TISCO gets coal from Jharia coal fields and iron ore, limestone, dolomite and manganese from Odisha and Chhattisgarh. The Kharkai and Suvarnarekha rivers ensured sufficient water supply. Government initiatives lead to rapid industrial growth in India. Number 1. Describe industries on the basis of raw materials. Answer. Industries can be classified based on the raw materials they use, such as: First, agro-based industries. Industries that use raw materials from plants and animals, such as cotton textiles, dairy products and food processing. Second, Mineral-based industries. Industries that use raw materials from minerals, such as iron, steel and cement. Third, marine-based industries. Industries that use raw materials from the sea or ocean, such as fish oil and seafood processing. Fourth, forest-based industries. Industries that use raw materials from the forest, such as wood, paper, furniture and some pharmaceuticals. Number 2. Write note on the main industrial regions of India and world. Answer. Industrial regions are areas where a number of industries are located close together and share the benefits of their proximity. The main industrial regions of India are Mumbai-Pune Industrial Region, Hooghly-Kolkata Industrial Region, Bangalore-Coimbatore-Chennai Triangular Region, Gujarat-Jamnagar Region, Chota Nagpur Industrial Region, Vishakhapatnam-Guntur Industrial Region, Northern Industrial Region, Kollam-Thiruvananthapuram Industrial Region. The main industrial regions of the world are Eastern part of North America, Western and Central Europe, Eastern Europe, Eastern Asia. Number 3. Distinguish between the following: large-scale and small-scale industries. Answer. Large-scale industries. These industries use huge amounts of capital and labor. They use advanced technology in the manufacture of products. They produce large volume of products. Small-scale industries. These industries require less capital, labor, raw materials, and low level of technology. In small-scale industries, products are manufactured by hand or by skilled artisans. These industries are also called cottage or household industries. Pottery, basket weaving, and other handcrafts are examples of small-scale industries. Public sector and private sector industries. Answer. Public sector industries. The industries owned and operated by the government are known as state-owned or public sector industries. In India, most of the heavy industries are owned by the government. These are called public sector industries because public money is invested in these industries. Steel Authority of India Limited, Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited, Indian Oil Corporation, etc. are the examples of the public sector industries. Private sector industries. These industries are owned and operated by individuals or a group of individuals. People set up these industries with their own money. Making profit is the main motive of these industries. Reliance Industries, Hindustan Aluminium Company, Tata Iron and Steel Company, and Tata Engineering and Locomotive Company are the examples of private sector industries. Number 4. Taking the example of a textile industry, classify the following into inputs, outputs and processes. Raw materials, land, shirt, spinning, printing, transport, capital, dyeing. Answer. In the textile industry, the inputs, processes and outputs are: inputs, the raw materials, labor, and cost of land, transport, power, and other infrastructure. For example, cotton, human labor, factory, and transport costs are inputs for the textile industry. Processes, the steps involved in the production of the final product. For example, ginning, spinning, weaving, dyeing and printing are processes in the textile industry. Outputs, the finished product. For example, the shirt you wear is the output of the textile industry. Number 1. Means of transport are very important for the establishment of any industry. Answer. A good transport system can broaden the market for goods. It can also make the movement of raw materials, fuels, equipment, etc. to the places of production easy. Further, it opens up remote regions as well as resources for production. Number 2. Iron and steel is called the backbone of modern industry. Answer. Iron and steel industry is often referred to as the backbone of modern industry because almost everything used by us is either made up of steel or is made by machines which are made up of steel. Number 3. Sakshi was suitable for the location of a steel plant. Answer. Sakshi was only 32 km away from Kalimti station on the Bengal-Nagpur railway line. It was chose to the iron ore, coal, and manganese deposits as well as to Kolkata, which provided a large market. On the outline map of India, show the following main industrial cities.